So we went to get a spray for our crops. So this is what we're gonna be using to spray our crops. We got it yesterday. Yeah, unfortunately now we have to school ourselves on how to actually DIY assemble this thing now. So
What is a pump handle here?
pump handle. Let me see. Is this one? And the pump handle is this thing. This should be the pump handle.
Number one pump handle, push the long end of the connection route through the pump handle.
Yeah, now we must school ourselves. So let's try and assemble this thing. My dog is trying to go for the easy stuff here. Hey. So you are leaving me with the hard stuff. This one should come here. Is there any way to connect this thing at the bottom? Uncheck it like that.
Yeah, you can insert the bottom, I think.
Does it have any pin?
Insert the pump handle into the front hole of the bottom of the front hole. Turn the pump handle down towards you and locate the pump handle. Turn the pump handle down towards you. Press down towards you.
So the hangs for what you? There should be something to clip it in here. And then marble again. Marble again. Okay, sharp. This thing can outleap on it. What are this for? This shoe. Let's try to figure out what these things are for. Okay. You can't be lost, my guy. I can read here.
I read, but I wrote.
This guy. No, not that anymore. I could see you. Metal washer. Okay. So there's the metal washer goes. Fit the washer and the clip. Okay, put this through here. And then probably rotate this thing with hands like this. It should be locked. Then I'm trying to figure out how do we stop this one from coming outside this way. This is what I'm trying to figure out now. I can't see any instruction about this thing here. I only see this one here and this one.
When I bought them, it already have somewhere. I wanna picture is push the pump handle, retaining clean handling, ensuring that it goes into the hole.
Which clip is this one? Wait. Let's check here. Oh, there's no clip here, man.
That's all right, yeah.
This one. Yeah, it says the clip. So do we put 2 or 1?
Exactly.
Because there are 2.
Yeah.
So where does this other one go? This one. Because there are 2. And it cannot. You cannot put it on the other side as well. Okay, sharp. We're done with putting the handle, and then what's next now?
Odam. Agrudi.
Mhm.
The pump.
Okay, look at it.
Odam. Screw one end of the hose onto the top of the plug. Plug again.
What the fuck is the plug now?
Plug cap. Plug cap.
Which one is it? Is this one?
Lona warri in the plug yona. Warri screw one end of the hose. Hose ke pipe. Okay.
Where does this one go now? Probably in here. And then this one is the fill, so I put it here. And this one's gonna close. Okay, sharp. So where does this one go through? It's a record. It's a show, so I gotta check more. Chief, are not this thing part of spraying this one's a book again to hand it now. Are you now? Yeah. Mawulo zana. Why?
Yes, species ago.
I see in the war. I also need to do if you know go change. I could see. My guy ready. Let's figure out how to put the belt and this thing here.
ka se re fe di-tools tse dintšhi fase mo o ka se re fe di-tools tse dintšhi mo.
If this thing does not feed, na gore di ene bjale gore ka se to kgwela ka se to thare yeah, it's a seal. Probably mara gona go seal for the water not to come out. It's a seal.
Split pin.
You should put it somewhere here. Probably. And then you put this one here, my guy. Eh? Naraga spal like intros ya. No camera by range. If you look umro. Yeah, if you did it. Now we just have to figure out how to connect the belt. The rest of those things are not working here. Yeah. I'm telling you, go mechanic wa fala bana ra ntwa etswe if you go le wile lugisa. How do you connect the belt? How do you connect the belt?
The belt is instruction on the bottom of your number. Press down through the bottom of the dish.
Chief, no help nyana mina. How to figure this thing out, my guy? Let's see. It's on the other side, isn't it? Bona manchi. Chief. If this thing come get one, it's in the show. I get. Then on the other side, it's another. Okay. This guy, this way you put this thing. Ukutepile gugu. But how long ago school bag? I'm not going to my pantry gets on the school bag. Oh, woman, I was school bag. My pantry gets school bag. I want Rafaga Ganji. Manji Sawaya Ganji, Safaga Ganji. Oh. My dog? I know. Into is a cool inner cooling. Mananga. I can't be defeated by something that doesn't work, my guy. Okay, how do we now put these belts together, my guy? Man, don't popular, yeah? At the back. Man, how are we gonna popular it, dog? No, man, how do you connect these two belts together? Man? That's what I want to figure out. There's not even a picture of somebody holding this thing on their back. And I'm just want to the same one. If I know go shoot and trail. know these things, my guy. If you go spray, spray, that's the filter. Done, the one. Lena ya pita mani man. You give me logel, kafas. That's why. Mar pinilasi. I told you, chief. Tracks, this one already fitted. Kinyaga mapan. Mapan to go to look at man. How do we now put these bells together, chief? I already by fit seal that one. If you try more than man, already by fit seal this one. Hey, guy. Kyo ha got this thing. Tell Murvia. Oh, got yeah. Start. Udal bandra. Tamanu fe DJ. Tamanu wa dia. Non c'est pas dans ma room for viewers for ma na fisha la si. Mara no Australia. Mapandraya tsani lavo. Ila nchi msaguru. Mapandraya tsini samwe mumu. Kai. Hilo moza na mapandra. Mapandraya tsini samwa na mumu. Ah, yeah, that's no. See. Yeah, this is where you put the belt, man. This is where you put the belts, chief. This is where you put the belts. Hey, 100. Yeah, man. Chief, this thing must stay like this. No, they must stay like this. That's the thing. They must stay like this, so that you can put it here and adjust. This is how things must come out. We'll change it here. I don't know how. Yeah, you see.
Yang ni kita akan pasang di sini. Yang ni kita akan klip di bahagian bawah tu. Letak ini kita masukkan dulu di bawah.
Kuna memabonu.
Itu naga kan memabonu. What's left now, is to adjust this.